Are you looking for the best ones fresh herbs? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best ones fresh herbs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The best indoor herb garden. I tested multiple aero gardens and found the Harvest Elite to be a happy medium, moderate in size with space for 6 plants, giving you a variety of herbs without creating a veritable jungle. Like the other aero garden models, the Elite setup was easy, just drop the provided pods into the openings and add water and plant food. Unlike some of the cheaper models, though, there is a digital display. Once you plug it in, you have to set the clock and choose the mode you want. Each of these modes cycles the lights on for different periods of time. Growing plants like flowers, vegetables, salads, and herbs requires varying amounts of light. You can also set a custom mode, which allows you to turn the lights on and off whenever you want. I found one of the more useful modes to be the vacation mode, which uses less water and only turns the light on for shorter periods, so the plants don't grow as fast when I am traveling or cooking less. The digital screen also tells you when you need to add water or plant food, as well as how long it has been since you started the garden. Once a month, you need to clean out the bottom water well to make sure no algae or other undesirable growth is happening. However, this is easily done. The top of the unit comes off, allowing you to empty and wipe out the inside. Key specs. Dimensions, 10.5 x 6.125 x 11 inches. Comes with pod garden unit with LED grow lights, 6-pod seed kit, grow domes, plant food, power adapter. Number of pods, 6. Number 2. Another great indoor herb garden. The IDOO hydroponics growing system requires you to purchase seeds from a third-party retailer, nursery, or home improvement shop and plant them in the pods, allowing you to grow whatever you want, like herbs, small vegetables, lettuce, or even flowers. This is different from other plug-and-grow gardens, like the Click and Grow or the EDN small garden that come with pre-seeded pods, but it gives you complete control. Planting involves adding the seeds to the hole in the middle of the sponge and might require a tiny spoon or tweezers, as seeds can be pretty small, anywhere in size from a black peppercorn down to a poppy seed. Once planted and placed in the garden, small plastic covers are added to each pod to help germinate the seeds. The garden comes with nutrients that you add immediately upon setup. Once the seeds start to sprout, you use the adjustable telescoping arm to move the LED lights up as the herbs grow. Cleaning the machine was fairly easy, with a drain hole in the back of the unit that allows you to empty the water easily and a top that is easy to remove from the base. Other similar gardens, like the Ahogarden and Garden Cube, both had tops that sat flush to the base, making them slightly difficult to remove. Herbs germinated and grew quickly in the IDOO as well. Key specs. Dimensions, 6.3 x 11.8 x 15.4 inches. Comes with pod garden with LED grow lights, plastic pods and grow sponges, grow domes, 2 bottles of plant food, power adapter. Number of pods, 12. Good to know, no guarantee about germination or sprouting. Number 3. The best indoor herb garden for beginners. With a handsome walnut wood base and sleek anodized aluminum arm light, the EDN is one of the nicest looking indoor gardens. It's also one of the easiest gardens to set up and use. The kit comes with pre-seeded pods that you pop into the base. Add water and that's it. Germination domes aren't even necessary during the initial setup, and the fixed light arm was the right height to both germinate the seeds quickly and grow the herbs. The unit is controlled by an EDN smartphone app and connects to Wi-Fi. The app allows you to control the light cycle. You can dim or turn off the lights if you like, and it lets you check the water level inside the base. The app can also keep track of what herbs you have in the garden, letting you know when they are mature and can be harvested. Being able to control your indoor garden from your phone is convenient. It was the easiest garden to set up and get going, and the basil grew quickly, germinating in a week, and growing to a point where I could harvest it in 3 weeks, while other indoor gardens took 4 or 5 weeks. What we didn't like, the garden requires you to download an iOS app to control it. If you don't have a mobile device or the app, you can't use the garden. Furthermore, there is no Google Play version of the app, making this garden suitable only for iPhone and iPad users. Key specs. Dimensions, 18x 6x11 inches. Comes with pod garden with LED grow lights, 10 pod basil start seed kit, power adapter. Number of pods, 10. Number 4. The best small indoor herb garden. The Click and Grow indoor herb garden is a slim and modern looking machine that takes up very little countertop real estate. It has spots for 3 pods and an adjustable light that comes with 2 extra arms that extend the light higher as the plants grow. It was one of the easiest gardens to use, requiring just the addition of the pods and water, and plugging it in. There's no need to add plant food, it's in the pod soil, and the garden doesn't have any buttons. The minute you plug it in, the Click and Grow is set to turn on for 18 hours and then turn off for 6 hours, cycling this way until you unplug it. Cleanup is practically unnecessary. Roots stay within the pod and do not grow into the water. Instead, the pods have a paper stem that sucks up water via the capillary effect, keeping the bottom water reservoir clean and self-watering the seeds and soil. The space where you add water has a floating bobble that lowers as the water is sucked up into the pods and plants, so you know to add water when the bobble is depressed. Otherwise, you just wait until the plants start to grow and then harvest as needed. What we didn't like, because there's no on and off switch or any other controls, if your home's power goes out or if you need to unplug the garden to move it, that disruption will start the light cycle all over again at 18 hours. Key specs. Dimensions, 12x 4.75x 9 inches. Comes with pod garden with LED grow lights, 3 pod seed kit, grow domes, power adapter, 2 additional arm extensions for lights, adding 5 inches per leg. Number of pods, 3. Good to know, guaranteed to germinate, will replace pods if they do not.